Hey guys, I'm Scott, founder of Brander Education and Clementine House Branding Agency, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can create a website just like this one for your e-commerce business in just under 10 minutes. Now after watching this video, you'll be able to make a modern and clean looking website for your business and e-commerce company in under 10 minutes, even if you have zero experience in website building. So don't miss this video, watch it until the end and learn how you can do it. Okay, so before we get started, you need to click the link in the description of this video. This will take you to a page where we're actually going to build your new website. So to start, just simply press get started. Then we need to continue with email, so just pop in your email address. Next, pop in your password. Then press continue. Save the password, this is really important. Next, just add your name. And then you'll be met with a couple of really simple questions. To be honest, it doesn't really matter what you answer here, just get to the tutorial page as soon as possible. Next, click finish. This will take us to the tutorial page. Once you're here, we need to escape this tutorial. So simply close the tab and reopen Webflow. So when we log back in, we do not want to resume the tutorial. And then we want to actually delete the website that they've just built for us. That is going to allow us to build your brand new e-commerce website on this account. For the next step, go to resources, click templates, and then go straight to the free button. We want to scroll down until we get to Luma. This is the template that we want to use. Click use for free, go straight to create project, type in the name of your store, and then simply click create project. This is going to create your website. Okay, so as you can see, we have a fully functioning e-commerce website at our fingertips. It's already been built for us, and this is really exciting. Once we have the website up and running, we now have to delete the excessive pages on the website. Let's get rid of these pages so we can just focus on the correct pages that we need for our new website. So delete Home 2. Also make sure you delete the About page. After that, delete the Contact page, delete the Promo page, and also the Style Guide and License page. Also make sure you delete the Help folder. We don't need any of these pages, so it's important that we work with a nice, clean website from the very beginning. Perfect, this is looking a lot cleaner. So the next step is to rename the pages so we have them all consistent and looking nice, and then we can link them up with the navigation bar. This is so when someone simply clicks on the button in the nav bar, it goes to the correct page in your website. Easy, right? So simply go into the settings for each of the pages and make sure that they are named relevant to what the page is actually about. Also be sure to name the slug as well, as this needs to be consistent with the name of your page. Once you've done that, double click on the nav bar because we need to start deleting some of the pages that are currently in the nav bar which are no longer needed for our website. Next, we need to go to About and reconnect this to our new About Us page. And whilst we're there, we might as well do it for the Contact Us page too. So now if we actually click the About Us or the Contact page, it will take us directly to that page in our website, as you can see right here. The next step is adding your logo. So double click on the nav bar, click the logo and click the little cog in the top right hand corner. Then simply select the logo which you've uploaded and place it at around 40 pixels. You need to click the height being custom. This is really important. Wow, looking good. So because this is an e-commerce website, we obviously need to add products. Otherwise, you're never going to sell anything. The first step to adding this is to add a category. So the categories we're going to add in this website are candles, diffusers, and holders. To add categories, simply click on the little trolley, click on categories, and then add your categories in each tab. Add the name, then make sure the slug is exactly the same. Delete all the products right now because this is not necessary. Make sure you add a promo pic. This picture should be extremely dark and it should not have a lot of detail. I'll show you why a little bit later on. Next, write a little sentence or two about the products that are actually in the collection. Add a simple thumbnail pic, and then also add a shorter version of your description in the 2 boxes below. Once we click save, we can go to the page and actually see what our collection looks like. So, as you can see, it's looking pretty good. So you can see that the stars that we use for the promo image allow the text to be seen nice and easily. That's why it has to be dark and it doesn't have to have a lot of detail. You can also see that the text that we put in the categories tabs is now showing on the website, and also the images are also being shown as well. But we don't have any products in this category yet, and that is what we're going to do next. So once you've created the categories for the different products that you offer, it's now time to add products to your website. So now we have those categories, now we need to add products to each category. So you can do this by clicking the trolley, then click products, and then click one of the product tabs that have already been created for you. Once you open this, we simply need to add the name of the product, then simply copy and paste this name into the slug panel. Add a little description for the product, and then make sure that the correct category is selected for your product. Add the main image, so this is the image which is going to be shown first on the product listing. And then delete all of the images which are currently uploaded by clicking the 3 little dots and clicking delete, and then add the other images which are relevant to your product. Next, you need to add the price. And next, you can see this little on sale button. If this button is ticked, you will see a little box in the top corner of your listing saying on sale. And if we go to this particular product page, you can now see that all of the content within this particular page is being updated automatically. So now you have all of the products added to your website. It's now time to start editing the content within your website, so the pictures and the text. Now, editing the content on your website is literally so simple. All you need to do to change anything is just click it and then either rewrite the content to be relevant to your particular brand, or click an image, click the little cog in the top right hand corner, and then simply change the image which is currently connected to that particular box. If you click on an image and there's a purple outline around the image, that simply means that that image needs to be changed in either the product or the category tab. So that image is connected to either one of your product listings or one of your category listings. Only images with the blue outline and the blue tab in the top left hand corner will be able to be changed in the settings directly on the website. You do this by going to backgrounds, clicking choose image, and then basically choosing an image which you want to replace with the one which is currently at play in that box. Make sure the size settings are on cover, and also make sure that you experiment between fixed and not fixed positioning. The not fixed positioning means that the image stays static, whereas the fixed positioning means that the image actually moves with your website. Webflow makes it really simple to edit everything on the website effortlessly. So just simply go through and change all of the elements to be relevant to your particular company. Once the website is all done, it will look a little bit something like this. So you can see all the products have been uploaded, everything looks clean and slick, and all of the text is relevant to the brand itself. You can see each of the pages are consistent and all of the products in the categories have been updated to be relevant to the brand itself. Once we have all the content edited on each page of the website and everything's looking fresh, now it's time to edit the footer. The first step to editing your footer is to add your logo. Do this the exact same as you did before in the top left hand corner earlier in this video. Simply replace the image, add your logo, and then add the custom height to make sure that it is the correct size for your footer. The next step is to delete the pages that we don't need anymore. make sure you rename the pages to be consistent with your navbar, and also make sure you connect them using the same method that we did before. So once we've got rid of all the excessive pages, we can now begin to link up your social media profiles to your website. This is really simple to do. Simply click on the link that you want to link to, and then go back to your website, select external URL, and copy and paste it into the URL tab. The last step is to delete this box at the bottom. We don't need it, so it's easy to get rid. And once that's done, that should be everything. Your footer is looking incredible right now. So now we've edited the footer, that's pretty much the entirety of the editing that we need to do for the website finished. The last step is to actually host the website and get it live. So if you click the little hamburger icon on the top left hand corner and then go to project settings, then go over to hosting and then scroll down to the standard package. This package basically can be paid on a yearly or a monthly basis, but this covers you for hosting, support, all transactions made through your website, and also allows you to connect your website to either Stripe or PayPal. All you need to do is select yearly or monthly billing, and then add your card number, the name on your card and your address, and any other details that they ask for. Once you've selected your package and you've paid for it, you can then add your custom domain to your e-commerce website. And there you have it, you have a great looking website, rocking and ready to sell your amazing products. If you have any questions at all whilst building your own website, please let me know in the comments and I'll make sure to answer every single comment. Make sure you like this video guys, it really helps us out a lot with creating new content, and also make sure you subscribe if you love what we're doing. So yeah, enjoy your new website and I will see you in the next video guys.